so Max Bean. But the catch say Max Bean member, they are very handsome. Max Bean member are more fair, but omutimi nya adwuma sika. Emma and a show omo. And almost some pay adwuma. Obey adwuma ope easy work.
But so ye
as they down say Ghana for chrono abomu ina no. Time be do a was say Asiamah so epe bibidi no.
What are you saying?
It's the Agradaa property na be call Asiamah o. E da susu wi.
Eye na fiancé o, enye.
Oh, e da susu wi ase. Guda. The da susu wi ase na meka. Amankrado ese chire.
Ah, ye betimi abet o asema wo ka.
Amankrado se chire. Amankrado oni Agradaa nya ntokwa no. Amankrado oni Agradaa nya ntokwa no. Why say aye sa back to Agradaa na dey enchen.
Opa na chawo.
Enti Amankrado no ono na ekontu Asiamah sisi a ekwan Asiamah emfa Agradaa emfa so. Enti Agradaa dey oye zero bin.
Ebuza fama kwa deba Xposed yesu na na yebo anene de menu edieshi na menu se me de ohumi a oni me di nhia ebo mponi mpo anese asemkese na so me na me de bro ne de one god nsem bi abatudwa e de afa eye sofumame mama part ehu ani Asiamah ni new boyfriend no ensensem ayekoso no nso de dia ono so ne kama on say one god nim so e kama president into ono so ne kama nyame no dia we bie so a kire no no o de aba batudwa a o person kire say eye Asiamah this is the time a Nyankopon pese yense Nyankopon po this is the time a kama any Agradaa ebedi Agradaa time aso say ni boni odi ye ni nyoma wa ye nyina no time aso o say otua so ka anything o say Asiamah na esi oni Agradaa ho no e assignment kama nyame asoma Asiamah aba na Asiamah no Agradaa no eye fole afole ma Asiamah no hey fole ode ne japade nyina ni bibia no de din no be Asia ode Asiamah din na beto so na sa de ekoso we nyina no so no eye Amankrado eta ekiri fi se Amankrado ni hubi ni nyina na yade ya hyehye a ono so ni wi na ode ni nyina ko Asiamah edin mu a Asiamah be ja Agradaa suwa no ne big blower te se ebebo Agradaa hwa Agradaa no ohwe asia on sori bi madofo na osanso ekoso aka se Agradaa e toilet bin and Asiamah e mass bin hey Ghana eti asemu na o see Asiamah e mass bin san microphone omo ye mbema omo ye fresh obeka say they are cute omo ho efe sa mbema no mo bosi na sa mbema no want no mo so ye de ayo omo ni say mass bin for mbema no omo nya ejuma omo mpa ejuma krom kopa omo nya de omo ya ni say omo de omo adwen edidi wo mba wana say mba na hwe omo nya san omo mba na hwe san microphone no enti no wonder say obabi di betu dwa say Asiamah mpo brush mpo no otoma Asiamah mpo so be ni ti a onu Asiamah ex girlfriend onu Asiamah man broken at wakofa Agradaa no ni nsem odi betu dwa no enu no enti one god say Asiamah no na mo no ye must be microphone no emma na hwe omo ni hwe emma ana hwe enti so boyfriend na wo hwe me a check it so boyfriend no ye must be na say or your toilet beans adofo yan ko hwe video no embra
Oba dia na say woni obi be ho na wonya ni ji a dia obe ma ni ji no na akwa wodu kuma ko na dia no
enso fi betimi dumja enjenye bone na boboy ni dia onyu boboy ni dia na
bra Asiamah oye kama
bra dia
Asiamah
oh yes
kama
sa asem we se me be kan wa wodi matem me be kan asem wa say abrantie or the mission and nam Mexico ni be yakachi
one god me
now a nice movie for Ghanaians to watch and whatever Agradaa will go if Agradaa will be happy if Agradaa will be sad Ghanaians around the world in Ghana here nobody cares about whatever she will do because she's a disgrace to womanhood.
Why would you say that?
She's a disgrace.
I don't say or a disgrace.
Or a disgrace to women.
I say me can cry disgrace. I say me say when you young guy be na me that's what I say.
The reason why because we disgrace they say if you want to move to another manner know how to go about it. Me I say when I see people bringing their family issue on the media for the whole world, then I am because you don't know what you are doing. You don't know how you are putting your own generation, the unborn generation, in pressure. You are selling them to
Why?
the world.
How?
Oh yes, because you disgracing yourself. Tomorrow, if any of your generation want to become somebody in this nation or in Ghana here, see that dirty tag, they will take tag out. That tag, this woman they do today. I would make her go straight to the point. See, Agradaa or your toilet being woman. And name prayerful for no. Asiamah so Max Bean. But the catch was say Max Bean member, they are very handsome. Max Bean member are more fair, but omutimi nya adwuma sika. Emma and a show more. And almost some pay adwuma. Obey adwuma ope easy work.
But so ye adwuma.
So when you say Ghana and the world, the most lazy work is men of God work. The most lazy work.
Please don't say
it's
that.
The most lazy work.
No, please.
It's the only work I see. The only worker, you only use talking, they talk, they collect collection, they talk, they buy everything they buy. What's other? Gooda, I know what I'm saying. Gooda, I go see him again because we have come to realize that they know they take our mind, they play. So are you saying, sir, Asiamah to way, poor Asiamah can you know?
Say your baba.
No. Make catch us say Asiamah no. Susu wiase no or your Max Bean. Asiamah enemy ni awo ye. Max Bean for omo ohewofe. They are nice beans. Or your bema. Agradaa say no. Susu wiase they down say Ghana for krono abomu ina no. Time edu a say Asiamah so epe bibidi ye no.
What are you saying?
It's the Agradaa property na be call Asiamah o. E da susu wiase.
Eye na fiancé o. Enye.
Oh, e da susu wiase. Guda. The da susu wiase na meka. Amankrado ese chire.
You bet me abet to
Amankrado se chire. Amankrado oni Agradaa nya ntokwa no. Amankrado oni Agradaa nya ntokwa no. Wa say aye sa back to Agradaa na dey enchen.
Opa na chew.
Enti Amankrado no ono na ekontu Asiamah sisi a ekwan Asiamah emfa Agradaa emfa so. Enti Agradaa dey o zero bean. The big disgrace will fall soon. Ana metoni kra boys bia odo mo ye adwuma e o Ghana ha. The boss tro the obutu amanfo boss na bopo susu wiase se o montina obi na maame no sika won ne je no onu kwa amfa sugar boy Asiamah a the fry toy na bodu se ma ti just say having gate no Asiamah omompene eduguda a nice movie opportunity and a toilet bean Max Bean and the toilet bean e dan the outcome a fire there be am say when fire and fire crash together the outcome what is smoke. So what you are watching there, no, when you're dog, but just temporarily, and not forever. Very soon she'll be crying. Very soon she'll be crying. And my biswa, Asiamah so no money in my solid them one. The Bible thing. It's only you trust in your questions. I don't want to waste my energy on this. I have important things to talk about. Guda.
Okay.
When is one God at Tuja. Now, and then also so Okafasa and Semi. One God, you are quite in baby. I say. God had no penalty me cancrophobia wasem. Or no penalty me come because bloggers be brave, channel for brave, if we brought to me and can't Agradaa say be brave to me, catch Agradaa say be brave to oncophobia. Omunti me in crofon to me come masem, even though Monsem bank, but I say one God dear. Agradaa nya Agradaa do timi on pa me nim che say me dwu wa menti I said dia microphone no de aye no na den aka fa nsem so de betu dua no hyawadwo nkyere all comment section na me kai say we fofora subscribe to Xposed GH na fe so no share na like na fe microphone so a mo so wo nim Xposed no mo hu Xposed chi kwan aha enam dim besi makra mu nyina bye bye.